Okay, so first thing is first, you wanna start Garry's mod. Now if you don't have it, just go to the store and buy it. It's only like 10 bucks. Now I recommend GM Construct because it is greatest map. Make sure you do not have any broken textures, otherwise you are a loser. Broken textures are sometimes caused by overload of add-ins from the Garry's Mod Workshop, and mine is now clean as you can see. You will need all of these games, which will cost about 500 bucks, so get saving. JK, the only ones you need are Half-Life 2 and Counter-Strike Source, and by the way, don't use GM Construct. I chose 7-Eleven for mine. For introduction shots or showing off, I recommend Catem Rome cinematic cameras. It will be found to the right of the tools. Now select camera layout and bind a key to it. So say I want this guy to be circled around, well, just place the cameras in a circle pointed at him and press the key you binded. This next add-on is the RT Cameras mod for security camera or television shots. Here it is in all of its glory. So say I want this funny crunch meme to act as a monitor, well, go into the toolbar and select RT Cameras. Place the camera, and go to the material called Models, Render Target, and place it. So say I shoot this guy and he is all splat on the ground. Well, go into Utilities and select Admin Cleanup and click on Clean Up All. Voila! Tell me what looks better, this camera angle or this.
You got it.
Number 1 is not only a better angle, but it does not show that annoying HUD. To do this, hold C and select Drawing and click on Draw HUD. This is also a good time to mention the puppet effect by selecting Phys Gun Beams and Halo in Drawings. Now set up those camera angles and make that video hilarious. Like seriously though, I don't play Garry's mod that much,